Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will make one of the oldest classic cocktails for you. The classic Sidecar Cocktail. The Sidecar Cocktail is beautifully concocted with brandy, orange liqueur, and lemon juice. I hope you will like this classic recipe. Let's start by rimming a cocktail glass with sugar. I will squeeze a piece of orange peel on the sugar. So when you will rim the glass, a beautiful zesty aroma will come out from the rim. Lemon juice has a sticky properties, so I will take a small piece of lemon, and rub it on the rim of the glass. Now I will lightly move the glass on the sugar, so that the sugar can easily stick to the rim. Now give a little jerk to remove loose sugar. This is not a very tough job. I know you will be able to do it perfectly. The glass is now perfectly rimmed, so let's make the cocktail. I will take a mixing glass, and pour all the ingredients in it. I will start with pouring 2 ounces of brandy. Brandy is probably the oldest spirits in the world, and produced by distilling wine. 1 ounce of Cointreau. Cointreau is one of the best orange-flavored liqueur in the world, and made from cognac. And 1 ounce of lime mix. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now I will add 4 to 5 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. This classic cocktail was created around 1922s, by Harry McElhone, owner of Harry's New York Bar. And the name of this drink was taken from the motorcycle attachment, which was very commonly used at that time. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now I will use a double strainer to strain the cocktail, and pour straight up into the glass. This method is known as shake and strain in mixology terminology. And if you want to know more about this technique, please feel free to contact me. I will use a fresh orange slice to garnish this beautiful cocktail. And now the classic Sidecar Cocktail is ready for you. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.